Lucy Jiang, and today I'll be presenting our assets paper titled Beyond Audio Description, Exploring 360-Degree Video Accessibility with Blind and Low Vision Users Through Collaborative Creation. This work was conducted with Mahika Phutane and Dr. Shiri Azenkot from Cornell University. Despite being touted as immersive and interactive, 360-degree videos are largely inaccessible to blind and low vision users. 360-degree videos capture a panoramic field of view and allow users to engage with different parts of a scene depending on where they orient their bodies or turn their heads. Prior work has explored how audio description, an additional audio track with narration of descriptive yet concise visual information, can be applied to make 360-degree videos more accessible. For example, Phutane et al. Utilized focus groups to investigate the preferences of professional AD creators and end users for 360-degree descriptions. Fleet and Herndon also conducted user studies with live descriptions of 3 different 360-degree videos to better understand end users' experiences. However, even with AD applied, blind and low vision people remain excluded from the immersion and engagement afforded by 360-degree videos. This emphasizes the need for more holistic accessibility techniques which can convey these feelings of immersion and engagement in a non-visual way. In this paper, we pose one overarching research question: how can we make 360-degree videos accessible? To scaffold our approach, we investigated 3 sub-questions. How can audio descriptions best support accessible and immersive 360-degree video viewing experiences? What additional feedback can improve accessibility and immersion for 360-degree videos? How and why should blind and low vision people engage in AD creation? Our 2-part study involved individual interviews and collaborative design workshops with a total of 14 participants. Of our 14 participants, 9 identified as blind or low vision and 5 were cited AD creators. 5 of the blind and low vision participants were also professionals in the AD industry. We first conducted virtual interviews with 2 video probes to brainstorm AD styles and interactions. Then we conducted in-person design workshops to engage participants with different ability levels in co-creating prototypes of accessible 360-degree videos. To better understand individual contributions, group insights, and group interactions, we created a framework by which we analyzed interview and design workshop transcripts. The full analysis framework is presented in our paper. Through this study, we identified key design considerations for 360-degree video descriptions and accessibility more broadly. Participants felt that the linguistic presentation of AD strongly impacted their engagement and immersion within 360-degree videos. Similar to blind and low vision users' preferences for traditional videos, participants wanted detailed and uncensored descriptions. Additionally, they thought that changing the point of view of the AD from traditional third person to either first person plural or second person would be more immersive. For example, Annie mentioned that second person perspective made sense, as the user was actually the person experiencing it and not a third party. Participants in Design Workshop 1 also explored a technique where characters could serve as narrators, which built descriptive narration into a character's dialogue. Regarding oral preferences for video descriptions, participants advocated for fitting narrators to ensure cultural competency and quality. Further, they felt that spatialized AD was helpful for immersion and engagement within the 360-degree space. Participants had diverse preferences for the spatial location of AD, but many were interested in the tracked option, which leveraged spatial audio to place the descriptions in the direction of action in 360-degree scenes. Aaron, a blind AD creator and audio engineer, preferred this option, saying, "I want the description to move around. It jumps over here for this, and it jumps over there for that." Here we present a video prototype of a segment of the scripts created during Design Workshop 1. As Mario, we watch Luigi, a tall, thin plumber with a large mustache and a green hat, in a tub plunging a bathtub drain. Luigi gets sucked into the drain. He reaches up and pulls us with him. We slide through a green tunnel. As shown in the video, the prototypes from the design workshops exemplified our findings. Participants established embodiment by using first or second person pronouns and including phrases such as Mario. When discussing oral augmentations, participants wanted the audio to enhance the suction cup sounds from the plunging and wished for the AD to be spatialized. Regarding multisensory interactions, all interview participants were interested in haptic feedback and tactile augmentations inspired by theater pre-shows, museum exhibits, and video game controllers. They also noted that haptic and tactile feedback could provide additional access for deafblind users. Stacy, a sighted AD creator with experience describing video games, thought that haptics are a great way to imply very loud sounds being ducked or slightly sacrificed for the sake of narration. For other senses, some participants thought smell and taste were interesting, comparing the experience to being at a 4D theater. However, others had more reservations. Lastly, our study highlighted the importance of including blind and low vision AD experts in the creation process. During the workshops, blind and low vision AD creators and users contributed unique insights. These included detailed questions about characters and discussions about the inaccessibility of existing media, which were grounded in their lived experiences. Furthermore, participants acknowledged that AD creation is a collaborative effort, a finding corroborated by the group interactions observed during our design workshops. Our findings point us to future directions to make media more accessible. Our insights on holistic accessibility through linguistic, oral, and tactile means can be generalized across many types of media, including traditional videos, images, video games, and extended reality. Additionally, there are many open questions regarding how AI can be applied for increasing user agency and video accessibility. We recommend future work to further investigate how to make media more accessible and immersive. We would like to thank our participants for their valuable insights. This work was supported in part by Meta. Thank you for your time, and please read our paper and reach out if you have any questions. My email is lucjia@cs.cornell.edu. Thank you.